tough challenge for Michael Meyer in that number 12. And he's got the 067 now. Josh DeLong right there alongside him. 74, Nick DeBoer in that third spot. Then in that 03, Jacob Zerban. That's your top four. Well, you can throw in the mix there to Josh Beechler in the 98 and the 77. Scott Kenny. Again, all good running vehicles here, all good drivers. We have one to go, so next time on, we will be back at it. 8 laps in, 12 to go. Front row, bring them around nice and easy, and that is their prerogative, but the idea is to come around nice and easy. Josh DeLong falling back to that second spot, but he's probably going to start looking at that inside to make the move on Michael Meyer. Michael Meyer. Josh DeLong took advantage of the number 12 truck going high and getting a bit loose out of turn 2, and then when came back around, the 12 of Michael Meyer tried to do the same move to Josh DeLong, but it did not work. So right now, Josh DeLong is in the lead in that 067. Michael Meyer in that number 12, running second. Then Jacob Zerman is now in that third spot with Zach DeBoer in the 74, running fourth. So again, going to get the 121 truck of Ryan Cutt and CUDD off the track. Sun's starting to go behind the clouds, making it a little bit cooler, which is going to make it a little bit better for the tires and for the motors and for the drivers. So should be getting to be real interesting with a battle up front there. And JT giving us a white flag. Next time by, we'll be back at it. 11 down, 9 to go for this 20-lap race. Josh DeLong in the 067 is your leader. Michael Meyer in that number 12 running second. Then in that 03, that is Jacob Zervan running third. Then Zach DeBoer in that fourth spot in the 74. Josh Beechler in the 98. Ray Vincent. Anthony Richardson in the 422 running sixth. JT looking them over. We are back to green flag racing. Josh DeLong race there. A little bit of everything, but last year's past champion in the All-American Truck Series taking the win in the Muffler Man of Pearson Road 067 truck. Boy, on Destruction Nights, he uses this truck.